Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow everyone to add you to group chats on WhatsApp. If you've been limiting who can add you to groups and now want to open it up to everyone, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're inside the app, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots icon. This will open the menu with more options. Next, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. This is where you can manage who can see your profile, your status, and other personal settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Groups. This section controls who can add you to groups. Under Who can add me to groups, you'll see three options: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Except. If you want to allow anyone to add you to any group chat, simply select Everybody. Once you've done this, you've successfully opened up your settings to allow anyone to add you to WhatsApp groups. Now, you won't have to worry about being excluded from group chats. And that's all there is to it. You've just updated your WhatsApp group settings to allow everyone to add you to their chats. Thanks for watching.